My Shopify store looked exactly like every other store using the same template. Products all dumped into one messy category: shirts, glasses, random gadgets all mixed together. No real navigation, just by default. So I decided to fix it. I'm Drew, C8 Matrix with Tread and Torque, and I'm about to show you the before and after of rebuilding the site by myself. No developer, no agency. Let's get into it. So you can see this is my original Shopify webpage that we had put together for Tread and Torque. Had some basic products in here for car accessories, wanted to add a couple personal stuff, but we originally had started off with just shirts. Sweatshirts, we had some women products. So you can see the different categories here. Here's portable blender that I had added. We also have the different accessories here. So everything is jumbled up. If you see the categories that we have laid out, I wanted to get everything blended a little bit easier to see. So I've been using Claude and learning how to use Claude code for, I don't know, last couple of months. Obviously, if you're following all the updates for these large language models, they're updated pretty much daily to weekly. What I wanted to do is start off with giving Claude my website so I can have it take a look at it, give me different options for how to make it better. We used a simple prompt. Okay, so here's the prompt that we use. Rebuild the Shopify website, Tread and Torque. With your help, you want to add the plugin where you can design the web page for me. So I asked Claude how to do this. It basically, once it allowed me to log into my Shopify, it gave me the ability to add the plugin in through my Shopify dashboard. So we started off with a basic prompt that allowed it to be able to do an audit of the current website. So you can see here, this is what it brought back, how the current website is used, the theme that we were using, the different unpublished theme settings. So it wanted clarification. So we went through all that, gave it all the clarification that it needed, and then asked it to go ahead and complete the audit. So during the audit, you can see it recommended certain things for us to do. Where it's safe to add new sections, files that it recommended not to touch directly. So after reviewing all these things, determining exactly what I wanted to do, I knew I wanted a nice hero section representing the Tread and Torque and the Corvettes. So having accessories now offering for Tesla vehicles too. So I wanted to put things together. So what we simply did was gave Claude a .md file. This basically gives it the ability to learn exactly what we want to do. So if it comes to design the site a specific way, the .md file is what it will always reference back to. So that's initially what we added. And now we're asking it, we also have a Higgsfield plugin that's already been built into the system. So it's going to generate the images using the Higgsfield AI that I already have programmed in, instead of using like ChatGPT to generate the images. So once that's put in, it's going to bring us these Higgsfield images that are for the hero section. So what I decided to do is add my own. So I decided to add my custom vehicle in with the rear end. So instead of using what Claude had put together, I decided to use the prompt that it gave me, and we went ahead and used that prompt, and then we gave it the new vehicle image to upload into the hero section. From there, it went ahead and it went into our categories, because these were the main things I wanted to do, was the hero section and get the categories together. So once it brought the category into the system, it was able to put everything into separate categories. So now, instead of having just random items all in one page area, now everything you can see here is broken down. We have our active wear, we have our tech products, Tesla accessories. So now it'll have a nice clear tabs, and it won't look it'll look a lot more professional. So right now we gave Claude the ability to go ahead and put everything into the system. So let's pull up the actual site and see exactly what it generated. So here's our new hero section, built for this garage, the street, and the lifestyle. We've got the rear end of the vehicle, the C8 matrix, and now we have our accessories here in one category. That's actually, so let's go to the main page here. So this is what you'll originally go to. You'll have your featured products, and then we'll have our collections. So yeah, that's the new Tread and Torque website design. It looks a lot better than the original one. And that's the result, a brand that doesn't look like a template. Now everything is organized, everything is clickable, and everything works. If you're building anything or you just want to edit your website and do a quick audit, there's so many tools today that can help you do that. Claude Code is real simple, real easy to use. I'll put the prompt in the description that I use to do the full makeover for the Shopify store. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, enjoy the ride.